Your home is more than just a place to live. It is likely your largest financial asset. But did you know you can turn the equity you've built into a lump sum of cash? Welcome to TAM Mortgage, where we help you put your home to work for you. A cash-out refinance is a mortgage option that replaces your current loan with a new, larger one. You receive the difference between the two amounts as a tax-free lump sum to use however you wish. This process converts your home equity, that is the difference between your home's market value and what you still owe, into usable funds. Why do homeowners choose this path? Debt consolidation, pay off high-interest credit cards or personal loans with a lower interest rate mortgage. Home improvements, upgrade your property to boost its value and comfort. Major expenses, cover education tuition or unexpected medical costs. Investments, use the funds to purchase rental properties or other investment opportunities. Getting started is simple, but there are a few requirements. Most lenders require at least 20% equity in your home and a credit score above 580. If you are a veteran, a VA cash-out refinance may even allow you to borrow up to 100% of your home's value. Our team will guide you through the appraisal to confirm your home's value and help you navigate standard costs. While a cash-out refinance offers predictable fixed-rate payments, remember that you are taking on a larger loan balance. Ready to unlock the possibilities? Contact TAM Mortgage today.